Good morning. This is Candace Duff coming at you all the way live from a not so sunny South Florida. This is your girl Candace Duff, and I'm here to talk to you. I'm here to bring to you part 3 of my 10-part series, Why Every Author and every business owner and every speaker and every coach and consultant should write a book. And that reason is books make bodacious business cards. I don't know about you, but every time I come back from a conference, I get all of these business cards that I don't even know what to do with. And I don't necessarily put in my Rolodex, we don't call them that anymore, and make contacts. But when I bring home books from conferences, I tend to read them, I tend to flip through them, and I tend to look at them. Imagine this. Imagine if instead of handing somebody your business card, you were able to give them a signed copy of your book. Imagine if instead of sending a event coordinator or organizer just a business card or just a resume or just a CV, you were able to send them a copy of your book. What kind of impression would that make on them? Right? So books make bodacious business cards, especially if they're written on the subject matter in which you are claiming expertise, in which you are an expert, and to showcase your expertise. So that's reason number 3.